Everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated August 21, 2024. So before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership, Basel, and certification on ISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Let's start with Nifty chart analysis. For the last 3 days, Nifty has been on an upward trend. And the good part is that Nifty has reclaimed its 21 DMA as well. For the last 10 odd days, you can see volumes have started to dry up in Nifty. And going forward, till the point in time any major knee-jerk reaction happens, the volumes are expected to remain low. Since volatility is also moving out of the markets, and at this moment, as you can see, uh, it's been a very low volatility play for the past few days in Nifty as well. And on the O'Neill front, one distribution day have expired last week. So currently, we are standing at only one distribution day, which is pretty comfortable. And since we have reclaimed 21 DMA and trading about 21 DMA, it's kind of comfortable at this moment. Going forward, if the recent high gets reclaimed, then the confidence in the rally increases. If certain key moving averages gets breached, such as your 21 DMA and the 50 DMA, because last time when there was a sell-off, Nifty found good support at the 50 DMA. So breaking down of the 50 DMA becomes extremely important. If 50 DMA gets breached on above average volumes, and distribution day count maybe gets elevated to more than 3, then we'll go from confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. Talking about key news, L&T said that the Bombay High Court has quashed 10 set aside GST showcase notice of 2237 crores against the company. June telecom data, if you look at that, Jio added 19.11 lakh users versus 21.95 lakh users month on month. Airtel added 12.52 lakh users versus 12.5 lakh users month on month. HG Infra successfully bids for road projects worth rupees 781 crores in Gujarat. Petronet signs an MOU with Sri Lanka LTL Holdings for the supply of LNG over next 5 years. Talking about the global market, if we speak about the US front, all the three US indices close on the marginally lower. Dow Jones and S&P 500 closed lower by 0.2% each. Nasdaq closed lower by 0.3% each. Asian markets, all three indices are closed trading lower. SPY trading lower by 0.1%. Shanghai trading lower by 0.4%. And Nikkei trading lower by 0.7%. Gift Nifty is indicating a muted opening. Yesterday's close was around 24,698, and Gift Nifty is trading around 24,700 levels, and that is why you can see it's a pretty muted opening at this moment. Uh, I mean, if we talk about the US indices and the Asian indices, US indices have closed lower, Asian indices are trading lower. There are high chances, on the Indian front as well. There can be very muted action, and might be slightly muted to lower closing as well if we go ahead with the global pattern. Talking about the chart of the day, the chart of the day for us is Voltas, and you can clearly see that it has good O'Neill ratings, EPS score of 49, master score of 83, EPS score of 49. But the last 3 quarter results have been very good for the stock, and there has been acceleration in the EPS as well as on the sales front. Price strength of 81 is very good. Buyer demand of B plus is also good. RS line has moving higher, good accumulation has happened in the past few days as well, which is a good sign. Left hand side of the base, when the stock was falling, volumes are drying up, and right hand side, as the stock broke out, the stock has shown good volumes. If we talk about fund holding in the past quarter has increased very well for the stock, as you can see. The only thing is that the stock is 6% above pivot. That is, the stock has broken out and has broken out successfully. Going forward, if the stock pulls back and comes back into the ideal buy zone, I mean, then definitely can be looked at. I mean, fundamentally and technically, it's a good stock to watch out for. It's just that the price action is slightly out of the 0 to 5% buy zone. If it comes back into the buy zone, can definitely have a look if your research and thesis allows you to. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of pre-bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.